Hi everyone, today we're going to be resetting the service light on this 2021 Toyota Hilux with a steering wheel like this. It's the latest model out at the moment. This is the dash you're looking at. Now it's quite easy to reset on this. We're going to be using the trip button down here and the stop button. Now when you're doing this, you need to make sure your trip is on the right setting, so you need to be on trip A, which is there, and switch ignition off. We're going to hold that button down while we switch the ignition on, so we're going to do that now. Button down. With the ignition on, we'll get resetting of oil maintenance data complete. And there you go guys, simple as that. Ignition off, ignition on, no more service light. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.